Hi kids, welcome to my Grambi channel. Today we're going to learn all about the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! Can you think of things that start with the letter A? It's crunchy and sweet. That's right. It's an apple. Apples are not only delicious but also healthy. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Can you say A with me? A for apple. Who can come up with words that start with the letter B? It's round and you can throw, kick, or bounce it. Correct, it's a ball. Playing with a ball is so much fun. Can you say B with me? B for ball. Let's explore things that begin with the letter C. Can you name any? It says, and loves to chase mice. Exactly, it's a cat. Cats are soft, cuddly, and playful. Can you say C with me? C for cat. Can you think of a word that starts with the letter D? It says, and is man's best friend. Absolutely, it's a dog. Dogs are loyal and love to play fetch. Can you say D with me? D for dog. Who can come up with words that start with the letter E? It's big, gray, and has a long trunk. You got it? It's an elephant. Elephants are gentle giants and love to eat bananas. Can you say E with me? E for elephant. Let's brainstorm. What are some objects that start with the letter F? It swims in water and has fins. That's right, it's a fish. Fish come in many colors and are fun to watch in aquariums. Can you say F with me? F for fish. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter G. It has a long neck and eats leaves from tall trees. Can you guess what it is? Wonderful, it's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Can you say G with me? G for giraffe. Our mission is to find words that start with the letter H. You wear it on your head to keep the sun away. Who's up for the task? Absolutely, it's a hat. Hats come in all shapes and sizes. Can you say H with me? H for hat. Imagine a world full of things that start with the letter I. It's cold, sweet, and comes in many flavors. Can you share some examples? Certainly, it's ice cream. Ice cream is a yummy treat on a hot day. Can you say I with me? I for ice cream. Get your thinking caps on. We're on a quest to discover words that begin with the letter J. It lives in the ocean and has long, wiggly tentacles. Any ideas? You got it, it's a jellyfish. Jellyfish look magical as they swim through the water. Can you say J with me? J for jellyfish. Calling all word detectives. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to uncover words that start with the letter K. You fly it high in the sky on a windy day. That's right, it's a kite. Flying a kite is so much fun. Can you say K with me? K for kite. Let's play a guessing game. I'm thinking of a word that starts with the letter L. It's the king of the jungle and has a big mane. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a lion. Lions are strong and powerful. Can you say L with me? L for lion. Let's dive into the letter M. Who can come up with some words that start with this amazing letter? It shines bright in the night sky. Exactly, it's the moon. The moon changes shapes and is so beautiful to look at. Can you say M with me? M for moon. Do you have a word radar? We're searching for words that start with the letter N. Birds build it to lay their eggs. Can you detect any? That's right, it's a nest. Nests are cozy homes for baby birds. Can you say N with me? N for nest? Get your word engines revved up. We're on a quest to gather words that begin with the letter O. It lives in the ocean and has 8 arms. Ready? Set. Brainstorm. Certainly it's an octopus. Octopuses are smart and can change colors. Can you say O with me? O for octopus. Calling all creative minds. We need your help to invent words that start with the letter P. It's a bird that can't fly but loves to swim. Let your imagination run wild. That's right, it's a penguin. Penguins are adorable and live in cold places. C. And you say P with me? P for penguin. Quick, we need your help to think of words that start with the letter Q. She wears a crown and rules a kingdom. That's right. It's a queen. Queens are graceful and strong. Can you say Q with me? Q for queen. Are you ready to embark on a word hunt? Let's search for words that start with the letter R. It appears in the sky after it rains and has many colors. You got it, it's a rainbow. Rainbows are magical and so colorful. Can you say R with me? R for rainbow. Listen closely. I'm going to say a letter. It shines bright and keeps us warm. Your job is to shout out as many words as you can that begin with this letter. Ready? S. That's right. It's the sun. The sun is very important for life on Earth. Can you say S with me? S for sun. Let's put our thinking caps on and come up with words that begin with the letter T. It runs on tracks and goes choo-choo. Who has an idea? That's right, it's a train. Trains are fun to ride and can go very fast. Can you say T with me? T for train. Let's play the U word game. You use it when it's raining to stay dry. Who can come up with the most amazing words that start with this tricky letter? That's right, it's an umbrella. Umbrellas come in all colors and keep you dry. Can you say U with me? U for umbrella. Attention, young linguists. Our task is to explore the letter V and uncover its magical words. It's a musical instrument with strings. Who's up for the challenge? That's right. It's a violin. Violins make beautiful music. Can you say V with me? V for violin. It's time to brainstorm. What are some objects that start with the letter W? It's the largest animal in the ocean. Correct, it's a whale. Whales are amazing creatures that can sing underwater. Can you say W with me? W for whale. Are you ready for a challenge? It's a musical instrument with colorful bars. See if you can think of words that start with the letter X. That's right. It's a xylophone. Playing the xylophone is so much fun. Can you say X with me? X for xylophone. Challenge time! Can you brainstorm words that start with the letter Y? It's a big, furry animal that lives in cold places. Let's see what you can think of. That's right, it's a yak. Yaks are strong and help people carry things. Can you say Y with me? Y for yak. Imagine you're in a magical land of words, and the door to that land opens with the letter Z. It's black and white and looks like a horse. What words can you find? That's right, it's a zebra. Zebras have beautiful stripes and live in the wild. Can you say Z with me? Z for zebra. Wow, you did such an amazing job learning all the letters of the alphabet. From A to Z, we discovered so many exciting words and fun things together. Remember, the alphabet is just the beginning of all the wonderful things you can learn. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep having fun with words. Now give yourself a big round of applause. You're an alphabet superstar. Thanks for watching Grambi channel. See you next time.